In 2023, a billionaire paid $2 million to upload his brain to the AI cloud. And now he's funding a startup to end aging. This isn't science fiction. Silicon Valley is pouring billions into AI-powered immortality. But will it save humanity or create a dystopian nightmare? Tech titans like Bezos and Thiel are betting big on AI to hack aging. Startups like NeuroPulse Labs and Calico are using machine learning to reverse wrinkles, cure diseases, and maybe even cheat death. But critics say this is a dangerous game. Today, we dive into the science, the scandals, and the shocking truth about AI's race for eternal youth. Meet Deep Longevity, an AI that can predict your biological age with 95% accuracy. Clinics are already using it to customize anti-aging treatments. By analyzing 500,000 patients, it spots aging patterns no human doctor could ever see. Here's the kicker. It's also designing drugs that could add decades to your life. In 2022, In Silico Medicine created the first AI-designed anti-aging drug in just 18 months. Normally, that would take human researchers 10 years. It's now in clinical trials. But here's the real question. Would you take a pill designed by a robot? Billionaires are obsessed. Brian Johnson spends $2 million a year on AI-monitored diets and teen plasma transfusions. NeuroPulse Labs, backed by Jeff Bezos, is trying to reset human cells to factory settings using AI. But here's the dark side. Critics warn, this technology may only benefit the ultra-rich. A single gene therapy can cost over $1.5 million. In the future, AI might make lifespan itself the ultimate status symbol. In 2023, an AI-designed anti-aging drug caused severe side effects in mice. Leaked emails showed researchers ignored safety warnings. This isn't a rare glitch. AI lacks human intuition. One mistake could mean disaster. And shockingly, the FDA has no regulations for AI-designed drugs. Not yet. Even worse. Most AI models are trained on biased data. In aging studies, most subjects are white and male. Will these so-called miracle cures even work for everyone? By 2030, AI could predict diseases 10 years in advance. Startups like Retro Biosciences are trying to add a decade to your lifespan. But ask yourself, would you really want to live forever? In a world facing climate collapse, political chaos, and mass inequality, would you take an AI immortality pill? Yes, no, or only if it's free? Comment below. If you're equal parts excited and terrified by AI's war on aging, hit that subscribe button. Let's debate. Is immortality humanity's destiny or its downfall? And don't miss our next video, where we expose how AI is designing babies. Yeah, that's a thing! Next up, AI babies, custom DNA, or playing God.